Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, May 4th. Lesson 5 today. We have no application problems. What we're going to do is a little fluency practice. And what we want to do is just kind of review this grade 4 concept, which will end up preparing you to calculate the volume next. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. I want you to find the area of these 3 shapes, and then I want you to unpause the video to check your answer. So go ahead and do that now. Pause the video. All right, here we know that area area is length times width, right? So length times width, I'm going to make this look more like an equal sign. There you go. Okay, so we have width, and we have width here, length here, and 6 times 4 is 24, but we can't just leave it at 24. It is 24 centimeters squared. And remember, we put the squared here because we have 2 measurements that are centimeters, 1 and 2. Okay, let's do the one on the bottom down here. We have 12 for our length, 3 for our width. Length times width, 12 times 3 is 36, and we can't leave it at 36. We have 36 inches, 2 times, so squared, 36 inches squared. And then the last one, it's a square. It's only giving us 1 measurement, but we know that a square has the same measurements on all sides, so the other side's got to be 9 centimeters. And length times width, 9 times 9 is 81 centimeters squared. Remember that squared means 2 of the same measurements, so 2 centimeters. Okay, now you are ready to move on to our volume page here. So remember, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you multiply the length by the width by the height. So, for example, this one is length multiplied by the width here, which is 5, and then the height, that is 12. Okay, so I want you to pause the video. I want you to do all of these by yourself, okay? A through I, all by yourself. You can screenshot this, and then you can add it to Notability. You can draw these in a journal. You can just calculate the volume right now just by looking at this. Whatever makes it easiest for you. So when you're ready, I want you to solve A through I, and then come back and unpause the video and check your answers. Okay, so checking our answers here, we have length. Okay, so our length is 4 centimeters times the width, which is 2 centimeters, times our height, which is 1 centimeter. 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. But it's not just 8, it's centimeters cubed. 8 centimeters cubed. You do not have to do this number sentence for every single one of them. I was just wanting to show you. This is labeled as length, width, and then height. Okay, so length is 6 times 8 times 8. So we have 6 times 8, which is 48 times 8, which is, if you don't know, 48 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 4, carry the 6. 32, 38, 384 centimeters cubed. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 centimeters cubed. For D, we have 5 times 3, which is 15, times 5. You guys should know this one. 15 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 carry the 2. 75 centimeters cubed. Don't forget your label. All right, we have 10 times 4, which is 40, times 5, which is 40 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 0, 200 centimeters cubed. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48 centimeters cubed. 7 times 7 is 49. Times 1 is 49. 49 centimeters cubed. 4 times 4 is 8. No, sorry. 4 times 4 is 16. Times 6. So we have 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 carry the 3. 96 centimeters cubed. And the last one, 10 times 10, which is 100, times 10 gives us 1,000 centimeters cubed. Way to go, everyone!